Hey guys, it's Cryptomio Analysis coming at you with an update video on Beam. So this video is to kind of explain. I know a lot of people are always commenting like, hey, like how high do you think this coin can go? What's your prediction and stuff? And the truth is, I really don't know. Like the way that I look at it is way different than, oh, like just looking at some YouTuber and saying, hey, Beam is going to go to $1, $2. Like there is no real clear path to it other than just speculation, right? So I don't do that. I don't want to do that because I think that's just lying, right? So first and foremost, what I look at is I look at the market cap and I see that the highest market cap that it's been is 2.23 billion. Okay. I also look at the fully diluted relative to the market cap. It doesn't look like it's fully diluted, but also when you click this, you can see that although they have been releasing circulation into the circulation supply, so they've been distributing coins into the circulation supply, it's not that much, like it's not really very noticeable. For example, if you look at a coin like, I just had one, Coin 98, right? I just looked at this coin. You could see that the price is just going down, and when you click market cap, the market cap is actually going up, which means that they're releasing coins into the circulation, even though the all-time low was 3 days ago. But the all-time low on the market cap was January 1st of 2023. So what this tells me is that they're clearly releasing circulation coins into the circulation supply, and they're diluting the market. So I'm not talking about Coin 98. I'm just saying that's not, looking at Beam, that's not of concern because it looks like it's really stable, right? Now saying that, it is 500 million. It's around a 4x back up to its all-time high in terms of market cap goes. And I do look at the targets. So hold on. Wrong chart. I think it brought up the wrong Beam. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, so we're just going to use this. Yeah, so looking at this, if we take our fib from the high to the low, you can see that we do have a target here at 39 cents, like around 40 cents. Nothing is bullish with Beam, and I think because we made an all-time low, sorry, not an all-time low, a cycle low here, I think that our target has changed from the last time that we looked at the video. I'm not really too sure. But these are all areas and targets that I would say that Beam is headed to. So in terms of the macro 236, which is at 1 cent 50, the price is going to be always bearish as long as we are under this level. So as long as we're under 1 cent 50, then I'd say, hey, be careful. We need to establish some sort of floor here and consolidate over this previous low at this point. Otherwise, you're going to get something like you're going to come down and you're going to make lower lows and you're going to start a downtrend. So you need the price to stay over 2.087. Now, once you see the price over 1 cent 50, then you could say, oh, hey, we're no longer macro bearish, and you'll know the next target is 2 cents. Okay. Once 2 cents breaks, then it's actually macro bullish. So I'm not saying, oh, it wicks up and it comes back down. No, I'm saying that it goes up and it needs to stay over the macro 382 to be bullish. And then all the targets on the upside at 2 cents 80, 3 cents 80, 5 cents 50, and then previous all-time high, which I'm using this wick for this case, at 9 cents. Once that breaks, then you're looking at price discovery up to 40 cents. Again, I don't know if it's going to go that high, but if you have Beam and if you're like, oh, I'm going to hold it all the way up to 9 cents, just know that if it goes there and if it doesn't double top, then you're going into price discovery mode up to 40 cents. Now, how possible is 40 cents? That's a good question. So I'm going to take my little measuring tool, and back up to its all-time high is around 9 cents is around 800%. So it would be an 8x. So that would mean that, and I don't know why it's not showing that. I mean, you can see that I'm using the wick instead of these, which is probably why. But let's just use the wick as an example this time. So an 800% is going to put the market cap around around 4 billion. So is it impossible for Beam to hit 9 cents and be 4 billion? No. And the reason why I'm saying no is because some other coins, and a good example is GST, because this coin was fully diluted. So this coin came out, if you guys remember, it came out and it hit like 10 bucks. The market cap was, non-existent. They released all the coins here, and then the price dumped to sub penny. So the reason why I say that is because this coin, back up to its all-time high, is a 500x. Okay, so 500x is gonna put the market cap at what? Like 10 would be 500 million, 100 would be 5 billion. It would be $25 billion. And you can see that the relative to the market cap, it's never been $25 billion. So I'd say it's a little bit harder for that to happen, rather than for Beam to go up to a conservative 9 cents at 4 billion. It could even double that, it could go to 18 cents or whatever, make an all-time high, and still be under $10 billion market cap. So it's not crazy and to say, oh my God, Beam's going to be, I'm not saying Beam's going to be like $1 trillion market cap, like when people say, oh, Shiba Inu to $1, or when people say, Jasmy to $20. It's like, hey guys, like the market cap has to be just as much as Ethereum and Bitcoin combined. It's like, let's be real. Anyway, I mean, Shiba Inu to $1 would be trillions. It would be bigger than the world's economy. So it would be like what 1 quintillion or whatever. I don't even know. I don't even think there's that much money in circulation. But anyway, you get the point. Now you understand what we're looking at. So it's very segmented. It's very like structured, right? So it's like this price, this price. That's why it's not very static. It's very fluid and it's always changing. So there's no definite answer, and I can't say, hey, like this, Beam's going to $1. I can't really say that. But what I can say is, hey, as long as Beam is establishing some sort of floor that keeps us over 208, once you see Beam over 1 cent 50, then you have 2 cents 10 in play. And these are all areas of resistance. And knowing that, these are all areas that you could theoretically take profit. So if you did buy the dip, that's 68%, 140%, 200%. And again, it's, what is it, like an 8x back up to its all-time high. So at 9 cents. So those are all opportunities and times where you're like, okay, well, hey, I should sell. Or if you think that Beam is going to go higher, then you hold it. And, if you hold and it goes up, then those are the people that got rewarded. So I hope that all made sense. I know that's a lot of information. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Please like, subscribe, comments. None of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.